Yo, what is up, guys? it's oops, it's a few more trades. Back with some bad news today. Um, so let's just start off with yesterday. Yesterday we took a pretty decent size loss. Nothing too crazy, nothing we can't recover from. Little $500 loss on in some longs. We were a little overextended, so I think that's where I went wrong. But it was somewhere over here. I don't remember exactly, but the whole day we were kind of just pumping and then chop and then dump and then chop, pump, chop. So got caught up in the chop, unfortunately. Um, Yesterday there was really only one setup, and it was I think it was there was this 1 minute right here. Took it to this draw. Would have got nice, beautiful TP. However, I was being really cautious because we were chopping right before. I didn't want to get caught up in a chop because chop tends to not really respect fair value gaps, and that's what the model's based on. So didn't take it, but I took. What did I take, guys? I think I took something here, like this gap, and then got stopped out or something like that. But that's besides the point. Nothing we can't come back from. Also, took a little Asia trade last night right here. It was a beautiful TP, but unfortunately, it was only 11 points. It was a nice 1-to-1, but I only put five minis on it or micros on it, and I really wanted up here. So I decided, okay, would I rather make $100 or hold for $600 and just go break even and not make anything? And I decided on the latter, and we ended up not making anything. So still down 500 on the eval, but coming into this morning, I was a little late to the charts, but I didn't really miss much. Pre-market, we just kind of had a huge sell-off to our low resistance liquidity down here. There was a nice 4-hour gap that we tapped into, but there wasn't even an entry anyway, and I'm not going to trade pre-market because it's not my motto. We're trying to get profitable here, right, guys? So I didn't take this. I was just looking at some stuff, but after that, we kind of just chopped around, and there wasn't really any more draws higher except this gap up here. But I was already off the charts at that time because I had an exam, and we chopped up to it. Didn't really get any entries. Nothing too clean. So we're just gonna hold off. Hopefully, we get a setup this week. But as you guys know, this is December price action. As you can see, we've been chopping from open right here all the way to 12:30. So really improbable conditions. But yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Um, you guys be careful in these markets, and yeah, I'll catch you guys soon.